I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your phone can run VoIP apps or native Wi-Fi calling without a SIM. Install a reliable app like a SIP client, Google Voice, or Carrier app. You need an account and verified number. Once installed, sign in and grant microphone and notifications access so calls work. Make sure Wi-Fi is strong and not captive portal locked. This step gets your device ready to send and receive voice packets, which is why proper permissions and a good network matter. You now configure the app and network settings. Choose Wi-Fi only mode so calls never attempt a SIM, and select a low-latency audio codec like Opus or G722 for clarity. If the app supports stun or turn servers, add them to traverse NAT. This prevents one-way audio. Make sure caller ID is set and an emergency address is entered if required. Also, test microphone and speaker levels. After these steps, your setup is optimized to route voice reliably over Wi-Fi. You finish by making several test calls, voicemail, a contact, and an external number to confirm inbound and outbound audio and caller ID. If you experience poor audio, dropouts, or no connection, restart the app, toggle Wi-Fi, or switch codecs. Then try adding or changing stun/turn servers. Also check router co-s and ensure SIP/RTP ports aren't blocked. Keep one key troubleshooting tip in mind. Intermittent issues are usually network or NAT related, so
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.